Python listing DIRs in a different order based upon platform. I am writing and testing code on XPSP3 with Python 2.7. I am running the code on 2003 server with Python 2.7. My dir structure will look something like this. Inside each directory there is one or more files that will have op patch as part of the file name. Inside one of these files, one in each dir, there will be the line op patch final _a.wsf. What I do is 1. os.walk across all dirs under d:\temp. 2. Find all files with op patch in the file name. 3. Check the contents of the file for op patch final _a.wsf. 4. If contents is true, I add the path of that file to a list. My problem is that on my XP machine it works fine. If I print out the results of the list, I get several items in the order I listed above. When I move it to the server 2003 machine, I get the same contents in a different order. It comes SSP10X, then SSP9X, and this is causing me issues with a different area in the program. I can see from my output that it begins the os.walk in the wrong order, but I don't know why that is occurring.
The order of directories within os.walk is not necessarily alphabetical. I think it's actually dependent upon how they're stored within the dirent on the file system. It will likely be stable on the same exact directory, on the same file system. If you don't change the directory contents, repeated calls will return the same order, but the order is not necessarily alphabetical. If you want to have an ordered list of file names, you will have to build the list and then sort it yourself.